people got up one day and said, we just have too much pumpkin, let's just carve them and just put them in front of our house to decorate it. Why? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying something I've never done before. I'm going to be carving pumpkins. Yeah, never done that, never participated in Halloween, so I'm not following any instructions here. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see how that turns out. Which pumpkin should I attack first? I have two of them. I'm just going to try my luck. I'll try the big one, because go big or go home, right? I'm assuming that people have to cut a hole in the middle or the top first and then scoop out the gunk, then you carve in a face. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh crap. Oh crap. It's harder than I thought it would be. Okay. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be like a 1-2 easy peasy. This is... I should have probably stopped by the dollar store and gotten some proper things. Well, normally when I buy pumpkin at the grocery store, it's already pre-cut, you know? I never had to do this on my own. Even though most of my family would be disappointed because I come from a long line of farmers, so I should know how to do these things. But I grew up in the city, you see? So I don't know how to do these things. Oh my god. If this is how hard it is, I might have to do only one pumpkin, guys. I don't know. I feel like I'm murdering it. Ah! Last cut. Oh! Voila! This is kind of exciting. There's a lot going on in here. I don't think this is gonna be... I mean, I've had pumpkin soup before, so I guess I could use a soup spoon. Can this work? Or do I need something else? Oh, it's working. Gotta scrape all the seeds from the walls of the inside. Pushing it downwards, and then I'm gonna scoop it all up when I'm done. Yep, time to scoop. You know, I hear that you can toast the seeds of a pumpkin and make a really cute snack. I should probably try that. Instead of like just tossing it. What do you guys think? Comment down below. By then, I'd probably have tossed it already, but I could, you know, buy another pumpkin and do it. Although pumpkins are surprisingly expensive. Why? I need paper towel. What do you guys think? Is this clean enough, or do I need to actually go in and get more gunk out? I'm gonna get gloves. That's what I'm gonna do. It'll get dirty. I have a ton of these just because of the coronavirus. So, you know, whenever you leave the house, you put it on, get your mask on. Plus, I only leave my house like once a week to buy groceries. Let's get into it. Oh, that does not feel great at all. I feel like how doctors feel when they have to like go inside of you to take that baby out. Probably nothing like that, but that's what I'm assuming. Ugh. This is a long process, man. I'm gonna say there's at least 1,000 seeds in this pumpkin. Someone comment down below, what's the fact on that? How many seeds are in a pumpkin? I'm gonna say 1,000. So it's kind of empty, and this is as far as I'm willing to go. It's getting really annoying doing this for a long period of time. I don't know. Let's carve a face. What face do I give it though? And what side do I do the face on? This side's kind of ugly, so we're gonna do this side. And I'm not gonna do anything fancy. I'm just gonna do a traditional, what's it called, jack-o'-lantern? Or I thought it was jackal, but I heard it was jack-o'-lantern. So I'm gonna try to do a traditional one and see how that turns out. Where to even start? Again, stabbing vegetables. Or is this a fruit? What is a pumpkin? Comment down below. Is it a fruit? Is it a vegetable?
What are you doing?
I'm carving the eyes.
Yeah, what shape and how big?
I don't know. I'm just doing something here. I want to give him angry eyes. Or her, non-binary. I don't know what it is. Okay. I can see something coming to life here. Get where I'm going? No? All right. By the way, where did this whole tradition come from? Who got up one day and said, you know what? We just have too much pumpkin in the community or in the town or the whatever. And we can't eat it all. So let's just carve them or throw them and just put them in front of our house to decorate it for Halloween. Why? I feel like this is not even an American thing. For some reason, I feel like it's not American, but Americans took it over. Gross, 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 gross. The eyes look okay. What do you think? Yeah? Put an eye lift? I don't know. Let's get a little nose. Go in. This is not as fun as I thought it would be, if I'm being honest. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna be like, la-di-da-di-da, and it's done. It's a lot of work. For my first time, I'm not doing too horribly, so I'm kind of proud of myself. Low-key, high-key, I am proud of myself. It's not bad. But watch me jinx it with the mouth. Should I carve it first? Yeah. Can I even see what I'm doing right now? Okay, so I made an outline for the mouth. And it doesn't look so bad. Kind of like the Joker. Now I'm just carving it out so that I know where I'm going with it. Do I have any small candles? Because that would be cool to put a candle in it, right? That's what people do, I'm assuming. Where I'm from or how I grew up, Halloween was not a thing, so I never practiced this. Never gone trick or treating, never dressed up, never done any of that. And I just find these customs to be kind of strange. Taking candies from strangers, I mean, isn't that what your parents taught you not to do as a kid? Do not take food from strangers. I don't get it, guys. But there's a whole holiday built on taking candy from strangers. I have 2 of these. I don't know if I want to do both because this is a lot of work. And I don't know how long this video is going to be if I do that. So I'm going to ask my producer to do the second one and then you guys can vote who did the best. Disclaimer, they grew up on Halloween, so you should judge them harder than me. Just saying. All right, the moment of truth, or the moment of disappointment. It's a mess. So, as I said earlier, it's too much to do 2 pumpkins, and I'm a novice, and it's hard, and I just didn't wanna. So I had my producer carve one of his own, and we're going to see which one's the better one. You're gonna vote. in the comments below. Let me know whose is better. Yours look really clean.
Go.
I'm gonna steal yours. Let's turn this one around first and see what you guys think. Like, it's not bad. It's cute. It's cute. Diamond eyes and like, I'd say a typical pumpkin mouth, if that's a thing. And you have this big beauty here with those evil eyes and a vampire type mouth with fangs. This is more like a Frankenstein mouth, I would say. I don't know. I like them both. They're both really good. But let me know down below whose do you think is best. This is mine, by the way. It's not as clean as I would have wanted it to be, but then I got annoyed and I was like, it's fine as it is. This one, my producer did a pretty good job. Like, it's so neat. And maybe that has to do with the pumpkin itself. It's like, it just looks really neat. Mine is like this big blob of a thing. But hey, it's supposed to be scary and ugly, right? So mine on my right, my producer's on the left. Let me know in the comments below which one's the better pumpkin. And I think that's it for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share with a friend if you like it that much. And see you guys next time. Hey beautiful humans, I have so much more content. Come on, watch my shit.